Why do 90% of people love guessing games? Because they're so much fun. Alright, sound detectives, here's how it works. I'll play a sound and you have 5 seconds to guess what it is. Ready? Let's go. What's that sound? 5 seconds on the clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a spoon hitting a glass. Did you get it right? Let's try another. Okay, listen closely. What's making this noise? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's shoes tapping on the floor. How are you doing so far? Here's one more. Alright, last one. What's this sound? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's pages of a book being flipped. How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for playing and see you next time on Guess the Object by its Sound.